Did you know that over 98% of your website visitors leave without converting? Stop wasting your traffic and your budget. With Pathmonk's AI-powered personalization, you will turn more visitors into customers. Our conversion engine analyzes every visitor in real time, predicts their next move, and shows a tailored interaction to guide them to conversion. It works whether you're generating leads or have an e-commerce site selling products. It will help visitors move from browsing to buying by showing them exactly what they need at the right moment. And it works reliably. In our controlled 50/50 A/B testing traffic splits, you can compare the impact of not showing Pathmonk to half of your traffic versus being impacted by Pathmonk's micro-experiences. Trusted by companies across all industries, Pathmonk has an outstanding record of increasing conversions, shortening buying cycles, and turning more visits into real revenue. Setup is fast. No redesigns, no developers. Just choose your goal, activate the AI, and let your site convert smarter.